Monday will mark the 10th anniversary of the beginning of coordinated development in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. Since coordinated development was proposed as a national strategy in 2014, the region has made remarkable breakthroughs in high-quality development, offering Chinese wisdom on the future of mega urban governance to the world. In 2014, Beijing faced urban challenges such as unbalanced, inadequate, and uncoordinated development. These issues also affected the broader Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region, as the three locations had varying development levels despite being neighbors, and resources were highly concentrated in the capital city. Early in 2014, China initiated a key strategy of coordinating the region's development to create a development model with an improved economic structure, a cleaner environment, and improved public services. To relieve Beijing of functions non-essential to its role as the capital, many enterprises in Beijing have extended their core industrial chains to Tianjin and Hebei, optimizing the layouts of supply chains and expanding the market.
我们是一家研发生产特高压施工及连接安装工具的科技型企业，依托京津冀协同发展，北京科技研发优势与天津制造业优势进一步融合，为我们企业发展提供了一个快车道。
作为北京的一家企业，首先我们感谢京津冀协同发展这样国家战略，让我们才有机会能够落户保底，能够从事和智能网联汽车相关的这样一个项目。
Official data show that with a more rational industrial layout, the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region saw its gross domestic product grow 90% from 2013 to hit 10.4 trillion yuan in 2023.